Hello, this is Gijis from Gijis channel. Today I'm going to talk about an office chair, Longem high back mesh office chair, breathable ergonomic computer chair with back lumbar support. It is very ergonomic chair with affordable price. Unique sitting experience. This chair is ergonomically designed to support healthy circulation. It is also designed to allow you to sit for many hours per day without you hurting your spine or back. This chair is customizable to adjust according to your specific needs. It goes up and down right here. If you press it, it goes up and down and swivels around as well as other adjustable lumbar support. There is a lumbar support right here, and it has got arms and headrest. There's right here. Also, the chair has the locking system that allow you to securely keep the right back angle. So if you want it, you can lock it, and that's going to lock it here and right here like this. You need from 90 to 120 degrees. If you want to lock it, you can lock it. This chair is very comfortable. Its breathable mesh backing along with the ergonomic design will give you the comfort your body needs. The large opening of its mesh back create optimal breathability for better ventilation. This chair is made from strong nylon base and nylon smooth rolling casters for greater stability and mobility. It's a 100% risk-free purchase. The product can be returned within 30 days of purchase for refund. It also comes with a 1-year warranty. There is one con I noted for this one. The assembling may be a bit difficult for those of you who like detailed instructions. The instructions that come with the package gives only basic step. It took me about 30 minutes to assemble this. So it is not that bad. Thank you for watching.